Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about natural disasters in Nepal. A natural disaster is an unforeseen occurrence of an event that causes harm to the society. There are many natural disasters that damage to the environment and people living in it. Landslide, flood, storm, drought, soil erosion, etc. are the common natural disasters in Nepal. Similarly, earthquake, which is an uncontrollable natural disaster that claims many deaths and a lot of property. Nepal is a mountainous country. The people of hilly region have faced with landslide, flood, drought, and earthquake. Among them, landslide and flood are very usual and common natural disasters in mountain. Besides them, flood, storm, and drought are very usual in Tarai. Drought badly affects the economy of Nepal because we depend on agriculture. All human activities are responsible for natural disasters except earthquake. Pollution, deforestation, and destruction of other natural resources are the prime cause of natural disasters in Nepal. Natural disasters are not predictable. It can take at any place at any time. We can't control them, however, we can prevent them. People should be aware of natural disasters. It is essential to stay calm during that period. Awareness program must be held in every community. If government takes more responsible measure, we can surely save a lot of life. Thank you.